Good eye, sniper. Alright. Let's get dialed to fuck in. Dang, I got a cut on my nose. Beautiful. Good morning, JD. All right, let's get the Google Drive sheet open. Flashbang. We are looking for referrals per ask, which we found yesterday. Do we already have this branch copied? Copy that. Get branch. Get me out of here. What the F, Ricky Bobby? There we go. We want to, let's see here. Get checkout development, that should be merged in. That was the last thing we did yesterday. Get checkout dash B, put that in there. Bada bing, bada boom. And then we need to figure out how to query for the, what was it called? What is the metric called? Referrals per ask. Yeah, right here, we need this value. And that comes from qualified, QS is qualified something. Check Discord messages. Oh boy. Am I gonna read what I think I'm gonna read? Come on, Discord. Get through your fucking 20 updates you have to do. Dude, I swear Discord has a million updates to run through every time. Oh, so adorable, JD. Congratulations to you and your wife. I'm so happy for you guys. You guys deserve some pure happiness after the year you've been through. Ah, adorable. Adorable, adorable. And then QSA. Do we have both of those? All right, chat. So the last real report that we need to, or data we have to pull from this report is this referrals per ask. And to get that, we can look at our, let's pull this open, report row. We should have both the QS and QSA. Yeah, I think we just divide this row by that row and Yeah. Qualified, attempted, obtained. Okay, well, we can do that really easy. Right. Alright, so we'll grab this, we'll yoink you, we'll paste you in, and we'll do select star from, oops, we already have from. And we want, let's go up a little bit. And we'll grab these two actually, come down here, yoink that in. And then we want, we have another one with QS, don't we? Qualified leads, yeah. Report row dot QS as qualified leads. And then report row dot QSA as qualified leads. Was it obtained, attempted? And this one is what again? Referrals per ask. She sleeps pretty much nonstop. That's amazing. What up, Mr. Winchester and Sentient? How we doing? All right, so we have referrals per ask, which is going to be qualified leads divided by qualified leads attempted. Report row, that's a weird way to derive that statistic, but whatever, we'll take it. Report row dot QSA as referrals per ask. $1.942, repeating. All right. That looks like we got that. So let's make a new database view for this. We'll just yoink this and then come over to our code editor. And we'll come in here. And let's just drop that for the time being and comment it. And we'll grab this top part. And we'll, actually we can grab this one because it has less stuff in it. Yoink that, come down here. This is going to be referrals per ask. Yeah. And this will be changed to there. Referrals per ask. How did this change? Weird. And then we get do that, and now in here we drop in our SQL and we have a new view. Okay, do that, and now we should be able to run a migration. Bun run drizzle generate, and then we migrate. Oh, we got a fucking error. I bet it is a semicolon. Where did these go? All right. I think we saved that all. No. Why would that happen right there? We want to remove dot drizzle meta /0036 and dot drizzle /meta /0037. And now we go back to our code and we run bun drizzle generate, and now bun drizzle migrate. There we go. And now we should have a nice little database view over here. All right, pop this open, refresh our schema. We should get a fourth view, and now we get referrals per ask. Boom. And now we can make one more view chat. If I've used Gleam in production, I have not used Gleam in production. I would love to, but I have not. All right, let me catch up here. What up, Loki, Abu? If I roll for the keyboard again and win, can you do a random user pick? Yes, I can. I am working on, right now we are writing queries to pull some data from some Excel sheets that people upload. So I'll show you an example of what this looks like. Check this out. So if a new user comes in and signs up for this client's app that I'm building, we can go to, I don't know if I have it running on localhost. Yeah, we do. All right, let me log out of this user. That's weird. Should probably look into why that's happening. Actually, why is that happening? For authenticated /logout. We broke a redirect maybe with the logout page. That would be in our hooks. So we would drop into, hold on. Justine's calling me. Yeah, what's up? I think so, yeah. Water. That's all I can think of. All right. Bye. I'm gonna have to go take care of something for Justine here in a second, chat. Let's see if we can figure this out before I have to do that, though. Handle redirects. If route, we should be getting here. Let's just like do a console.log here. Whatever, I'll do fine. Why would we not hit that? Oh, we did see that, actually. So if we resolve to authenticated / log out, authenticated log out, how do we break this? Authenticated log out page.server, and we're getting a 500. I don't see that log at all. Oh, this is actions. We need I think we just do the same thing. Yeah. There we go. Okay. That works. My little pepper jar decided to try Closer again after the first start of work that used it, and oh boy, it's fun. I think I would like Closer a lot. Okay, what I was trying to show is if we sign up for a new account, and we come in and we sign up as Ryan Winchester, and our number is 999999999. Dylan.mulroy plus, if I could spell my own name, plus Ryan at gmail.com. JP. Lol. We create an account. We're gonna have to verify our email, which we should get that right now. Right, there it is. Open that up, verify, run through this. And then what we're doing is once we get past this stage, they have to upload a report from their metrics, from their company. So they grab this, and in documents, downloads. We grab foobar, metrics 1. That's added. And now we upload. It's uploaded successfully. What that's going to do is in the background, we have a little server that's parsing stuff. And you'll see right now we have 12 rows. And when we refresh this, we should have more. Oh no. Oh no, chat. Is it borked? Everything's in successful completed status. That might have already been refreshed. Oh yeah, this is in a good state. That's right. We'll have different report IDs, right? Yeah. Latest monthly reports, report ID. Oh yeah, yeah, we have the report income captured. Oh. Got that. Referrals per ask. Okay, there's 2 rows. And there's 2 rows. Yeah, we got everything. It's the same data. I agree with Ryan that pipes are better than nested functions. Okay, so that's what we do. We basically go through and we parse like all those, all that ish. And now we have the data. Let's do one thing quick. We can do a summary report view where we basically get the 3 of these, right? We can grab we can come in here and the last query we can write, we'll need to write is if we yoink this and we come down here and we do, we'll join from, I don't know. I guess we can select from report, right? And then we can come in here and we can, rather than joining on this, right? We join, we're gonna join the view as income captured view on income captured view dot report ID equals report ID. We'll take that and then we do income captured view dot income captured ratio as income captured ratio. Throw that in there. And that should run, right? Yeah. And then we can join our other report. We can join the 1031. Performance 1031, basically the same thing. We'll do total 10 3 1 do that. Do I have to do multiple joins here? And the last one is referrals per ask. Do that. And now we have all of our stats aggregated in one place, right? This is going to be total 1031 dot ratio as 10 3 1 ratio. That needs you. This probably needs to be wrapped in quotes, I bet. Whoa. Yeah, and then the last one will be referrals per ask, dot referrals per ask as referrals per ask. And now we have this nice little summary view of a report with all the important statistics that we care about. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Could you share your idea of MRC? It should be oh, LOL, next timer. Dot files. If you look at that link and then go to JetBrains, it's nested under there. It's right here. All right, I gotta go do something for Justine. This will probably take me not too long. I will be right back, chat.
Functions describe the world.
Okay, we're back. Let's go ahead and add one more view for this data. Do we want that? Let me see what I wrote about this before. Me now. Maybe we just join these. So I think it would be useful to have some of this information rather than just aggregating it. So let's ignore that one for now. We don't need to make that a view. You know what? We're gonna try something here. What is this one? Qualified leads, new fact finders. We get this ratio. What is that ratio? That's the 3-10-1 ratio. Yeah, okay. Yeah. All right, we're gonna try to see. What up, Costa? Thank you for the follow, Drazor. My week's going well. We are gonna see if V0 can do a little work for us here. And am I logged in? Yeah. If we come to what do we call it, R10? That's not the one we wanted. Please create a card using our theme to visualize these three. Please visualize these three SQL queries. Let's see how it does here. That's not bad. Make sure they're in a single card together, but logically grouped / separated. Apply design principles from refactoring from the book. Refactoring UI. The TC39 pipeline proposal has been around since I was a junior dev in like 2016, 2017, somewhere in there. Unless it's changed for some reason. It's not bad. It's not bad, chat. Generate an app with 5 pages, each showing a different component for displaying this data. A different component slash way. Yeah, dude, the pipeline proposal has been around forever. TC39 pipeline proposal. I typoed that. It hasn't been touched for 2 years, and I just want to see the commit history. This is zoomed in way too much. It's really aggressive. 193 commits. And can I reverse this? (2018, 2017, 2015). Yeah, this thing has been around for freaking ever. I wish this would have traction because I would love to use it. But I don't think it's gonna get any traction. It's in stage 2. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. I'm glad this actually works. Very good. This literally does not work, bro. Disgusting. No. Absolutely not. Horrible. Just go back to this. Whatever. This is good enough here. We'll do this card. Alright, let's see here. Close that up here. How did my fucking... I fuck up my desk every day. So annoying. Alright. So we want to add basically this to if we log into the coach view, so let's log out of here. Oh my god, my dog is so annoying. Log out. There we go. And then the login is going to be that. And look in here, food bar. We basically want to go, we should make this tinier, but in here, we're gonna load the data here. What up, Vafi? So let's go ahead and add that data fetching now that we have these views to help us. And we'll go to, actually, let's go ahead and merge this. We added the add referrals per ask DB view. Go merge that in on GitHub. Great. Great job. Excellent code. Best I've ever seen. Blade branch. All right, let's go update this, and we're gonna rename this one. It's gonna be Coach View account card. And we're gonna put that in progress. We're gonna come down here, we're gonna check out develop, git pull that, branch off of that. Oh, did that not copy? All right, and then up here we want routes, authenticated, main, coach, client ID, page.server. I don't think we use the report promise, do we? Yeah, I don't think we're using that report anywhere. Okay. So we can nuke that. And we can go write some new queries. Right, now that we have our database views, which we'll just load over here. Hi.
I just came in to say good morning.
Good morning. How's the gym?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Bodhi will probably be in a few moments to say good morning.
Get by user ID dot select dot from, and we want to give it 10.3.1 dot where. Ooh, we should really do it by report ID. Dot where equals dot report ID is equal to a SQL dot placeholder of report ID. Do that. And then we call dot prepare. That will give us a prepared statement. And we'll just call it whatever. We'll just call it that. Doesn't matter. And we're going to do the same thing for our other 3 database views, which were one, change to B, the income capture. Paste that in there. This is going to be
Functions describe
capture.
the world.
That's going to be that. And then the next one is going to be, just paste that in there, and we get the last one was that referrals per ask. Yeah. Referrals per ask. And we go ahead and put that in there, and this is going to become referrals wait, what the heck? Why can't I import that? All right, there we go. All right, so we have our prepared statements, and finally we can just go use them and query them.
Winnie, go get him. Go say good morning. Go tell him good morning.
Good morning, buddy. He said, "You guys woke me up early. I don't have all my energy this morning."
Oh, big man.
Can you shut my door?
Yeah.
Thanks. Hell yeah, Sentient, congratulations. Keeping my fingers crossed for you. What kind of job? Or what kind of role? Just burnt the piss out of my tongue. Ow. In fact, we're going to do one more thing here because I am feeling extraordinarily lazy. We are going to come over here and we are going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to say, please write TypeScript types for the types queried from each of these SQL queries. Whatever. If you're talking about all the pictures and stuff, yeah. Controls engineer at a data center. Damn, that's wild. Hi, your opinion, best and fastest way to ship a web app and Android version? I would say React and React Native, without a doubt. Yeah, I would use React and React Native. That's gonna let you knock out, um, like, move the fastest and share the most code and have to learn the least amount. I like his yellow helmet. Some people didn't like his yellow helmet, but like it reminds me of Silva. Um, so I think it's sick. Mm-hmm. Perfect. In fact, we can take this even. We're gonna pull a little 1-2 here, and we're gonna go to for cell resources, JS doc, guidance, my giant ongoing chat, where I make this motherfucker write my JS docs. I forgot I wrote this. This is a really helpful little thing for effect. Bro, just write the fucking JS docs. I have not tried DeepSeek. I have no idea how to use DeepSeek. Mm-hmm. Wait, ratio can be null? Do we intentionally do that? Where is 1031? I don't think ratio can be null, can it? Yeah, this can't be null. Whoops. Bun, run, drizzle, generate. What are you talking about? That should apply a migration, shouldn't it? No, I guess not, because it's just a view. Yeah, never mind. So it's fine. Yoink these, take that over, and
Functions
I gotta think about where I want to put this. I think we might have a performance metrics. I kind of want to rewrite this and put this into a class. Whatever, we'll just put types in here, call it a day for now, not overcomplicate it. This needs to be that, delete to there. These are really shitty comments. There we go. Just clean that up. All right, now we at least have types. Yeah, that should be okay, right? Oh, in fact, we don't even need to... Ah, I'm so dumb. We can do... We could have done 10... Or maybe the better way to have done this would have been this dot... what is it? Dot select. $ select. Something like this. Type of... select. Isn't it select? Isn't that how you do that? Type of activity dot infer select. Can we not infer a select from a view with Drizzle? All right, let me catch up on chat again. It's a Chinese GPT, but 30 times cheaper. It's basically just free ChatGPT, but Chinese, but with less, but the same, better performance, budget, but 5.5 mil to build it, open source. That's wild. All right, let's see here. I really think I should be able to take this and get infer select, right? Like that feels like it should be a thing. Because if I like bring in, I bet it's just not implemented. Yeah, damn it. Let's try upgrading. Let's try upgrading Drizzle. I know I have some deprecated shit we're gonna have to fix, which is gonna be annoying. But I haven't upgraded for a month or two. Okay, let's see here. What are my Drizzle dependencies? Drizzle Orm and Drizzle Kit. Fun update Drizzle Orm at latest. 0.36.4. That's not crazy. That's not a big upgrade. Fun update Drizzle Kit at latest. And I think I do have some type errors now, because if I recall, I have these things that are deprecated. I don't understand what is deprecated here. This overload is deprecated. Use other method overload instead. Name schema columns. Name schema columns. Name schema columns. And this takes name columns extra config. Is that not the exact one we're using? Name columns. Hold on. What are the differences? This one, and then the other one we were looking at, is it this one? This one. Okay. Some rickrolling. Nice chat. Proud of you guys. Expect nothing less. So down here, I think I just returned an array rather than, yeah. Nice. So do I. And do we think we got lucky? I'm guessing that Drizzle just doesn't have inference on views. We probably should make these materialized views at some point, but until I have performance issues, I'm not going to worry about it. Where is there stuff for, is it under data types? Chat, does anyone know where I guess they have Command K, right? Yeah. August, that was almost 2 years ago. That's not what I want. Infer select. I'm just guessing views don't have inference. Do PG views have infer select? Based on infer model from column. Okay, this looks like it might be there since the update. So I'm going to quit out my editor just to get the TypeScript server back working well. Same over here. And let's go ahead, go back in there. I'm feeling a little lucky here. We might luck out. Export, let's try up top here. Export type foo is equal to performance. Like, why is that not picking metric report type of dot? It's not there. Bro. Oh, I probably have to upgrade Drizzle in front too. I bet I have an old version of Drizzle in here. Or not? I do. Am I not using SyncPack for that? I should be using SyncPack for that. For certain. Yeah, there it is. Pin version. And we bumped to 4 in here, right? Cat package JSON. 36.4 and 27.1. So in here, we'll take 36.4 and in Drizzle Kit. Do I not have... Okay, I guess we have to take... yoink you, paste you here. This will be kit. And that was 27.1. 27.1. And then we can go to the root of the repo, right? Make sure that's saved. And we can do zr10, current working directory, bun run syncpack fix. There we go. Frack, yeah. Then we can just run a bun install. Sock, I tried that. It wasn't there. I think it's because it's a view. I think it's these types is probably what I want. This infer select view model. Or it's because, oh right, no, we just established it's because I was on the wrong fucking version of Drizzle. I'm so dumb. I get so distracted. Let's just quit out of here. Yeah, it's fine. I just don't trust. All right, we have this dot. It's still not on there. Which it's a view. Which should return a manual view builder. Which has we extend a record that column default base. Columns. Protected schema. So I might be able to at least use type underscore equals infer select I don't think this is released. This is in the beta version. How do I tell if this got into main? It's one commit behind main. I wonder if there's a new major version and that just didn't upgrade me to the major version. .39. What? Come on, bun. I said at latest. So let's go to package.json. We'll just quit and we'll go to ZR10 and we'll go back into sync pack. Dude, I'm gonna go lose my mind on Winnie barking right now. She's got about 30 seconds to knock it the hell off. Winnie, enough. And this is on 30.3. How did that not upgrade correctly? We want to do bun run sync pack fix, bun install, and then let's go to front and we'll just run, make sure that installs there, and db bun install here. Okay, and now let's go to where we were, right in here. LSP's restarting. Theoretically. Oh, we do, let's see if we can get it now. Infer select. There it is. Nice. Hell yeah, brother. What is this? Income captured? And then this will be type of referral per ask. Perf. Referrals per ask dot infer select. All right, so we have those. We should be able to query those now. We got some nice types. And if we go to our routes now, we want to query those from the coach page at your client ID server. We'll launch these in parallel. Oh, wait, shit. Yeah. In fact, we can even come on here and can I edit this? Dot map result. This is gonna break so much shit. Hold on, chat. We're gonna, I don't know what map result does. We're gonna play around with it and figure it out. Dot map result. What do we get? This is gonna be a row, I'm guessing. I guess I'm assuming I can just return the row, right? No? What do we get in here? Is it like that? Any type? What do we get? We get a response unknown. Is from batch? What? How does this work? It seems like a pretty worthless function. Alright, that's okay. So we'll come here and we'll just say execute. Does this take any arguments? Placeholder values, it does. That's going to need the user ID, which is the client ID. And then we'll just then this. And this will be the row. Right, we have that. We really just need the report ID, right? It's going to be, what is the row dot performance metric row report dot ID. And we'll change this to a function. Actually, whoa, that changed way too much. Do this, and we'll say if row is equal to undefined, we're going to throw a new error, which will cause our promise to reject. Could, let's see here, performance, onboarding, onboarding performance metric report was not found for user client ID. So we'll get that error, and now we know that this will probably be or undefined, yeah. And then we can also do row dot performance metric report equals undefined. And then we can return the report ID here, or row dot, Jesus Christ, row dot ID, which should be for sure the string. And then we can do a nice little pipeline here. Dot then, we get our report ID. And we will go here, and in here we will effectively launch 3 more promises. We'll get it'll be the 3, 10, 1 ratio report. Is that a valid variable? Second a bitch.
The world.
Total 3, 10, 1 report promise. Right, these are all going to launch in parallel, or yeah, technically parallel. Maybe parallel, depending on how it uses the CPUs. My keyboard is the Voyager. Yeah, no problem. And then we'll do get, it's gonna have performance. Why can't I autocomplete that? We wanna grab this one, yoink in Word, bring that over here, paste that by report ID, import that. And that's going to take .execute, and that'll take a report ID. And then we're going to do the same thing. And this will be const income capture report promise. And we'll launch that in parallel. So this will be performance metric income. This one dot execute. Oh, that's by report ID dot execute. That takes our report ID. And then the last one is referrals by ask. Referrals by ask report promise. This will be performance metric, performance ask by report ID. That's our prepared statement. Execute, pass in the report ID, and then we'll join these together. Right? We'll do a await promise dot all and pass in the total. We'll pass in the income capture promise, and we'll pass in the referrals promise, and we'll await them together. This needs to be async. And this is going to give us const yoink those just to get the formatting right here. Do that, get rid of the promise. And then we will return these on an object and referrals. And now this has a lovely we have that, and we can get rid of this thing. And this can just be reports. And then we'll come down here, and we know that won't happen anymore because reports should always be defined because we already did the check. Yep. Where did that array come from? Those should not be arrays. Where's my, there we go. Income capture report. I really should just write a Zod thing to pipe database results through. That would probably be the way to do this. We'll just use the same error. Call it a day. And now we should see down here that reports is not undefined, and they should have one object on it. Yep, it's exactly what we want right there. And we'll just make that an S. Delete this block. In fact, we can probably throw a got catch on here. And we'll get a cause. And we will promise, come in here, and we'll do a console.error. And we'll just do cause.message. Oh, it's because it's gonna type as undefined. Bro, that is, I hate TypeScript. I hate TypeScript so much. This is type unsafe right here. It's so annoying. I think this throws under the covers anyways. Doesn't error throw? How did that take me? Yeah, it does. It does throw. Whatever, we'll just reject anyways. What? Oh, we'll just do this. Do that, and then we'll grab this, and we'll come down here, we'll do this. In fact, we can get rid of that line. Yoink that, take that down here, do that, and this is gonna be and this is gonna reject on a 500 instead, because something went wrong with our systems. All right, that's better. All right. I hate TypeScript. Let's see here. I am going to catch up on chat after I get Winnie calmed down. Dude, relax. Come here. All right, let me catch up on chat. I was in the, I was kind of in the zone there. Oh, is something wrong with our song's not working? Hey, did you create UI designs with Figma? No, I did not. I used v0.dev to do it. I don't care what you guys are arguing about in chat. Just keep it relatively civil. I don't know what the new album, what band were we talking about, Palantir? All right, we should actually be seeing now that we get that data on this page here in the network tab. If we look, we do a refresh. Of course, we get the data, as you can see. Ah, we have a typo. Is that typo? That's got to be in our schema. Yep, right there it is. Oh, I just never typed that out correctly. I don't think we have to run a migration for that, right? Oh, I guess we do. What was the name of that one? Morloon? It dropped indexes? That doesn't seem right. It's weird because It yells at me if I try to do this. Starting from 0.3, a new index for API provides a... So what? We would do index. Why can't I jump to that? Okay, so now that's the right syntax. Okay. Dude, that's so annoying. There's no parameter 1. There's the classic drizzle fucking error. They still have not fixed that. They always drop their... What up, Ender? My keyboard is the ZSA Voyager with chalk white. All right, where did they put the 1? Where active and active equals was it's supposed to be true, I'm assuming. Yeah. Great job, Drizzle. There we go. All right. Let's just restart the dev server, make sure everything's good there. And hopefully this time we end up seeing the right data. I think I forgot to put an inspect in this Svelte code, but let's just wait to see the page loads first. Come on, compile. Internal server error. Oh, we timed out connecting to Supabase. That's an error I have not seen. I'm connected there, right? I can query everything. Everything feels good here. Maybe. Okay, well, I'm not in any of those zones. And this is weeks ago. $129. Alright, there's no maintenance or anything. Why would I time out? What happens if we just go here? That's good. Alright, that was weird. Okay, so let's check if we got, that's pulling our activity events. We want to add a log for inspecting, if we have the data, which is the reports data. So let's go up to our routes. Routes, authenticated, main, coach, client, ID, and we can throw that in the page here. And we'll just do a inspect on data.reports. And we should see in the console log all that data. Look at that, chat. There it is. There it is. All of our beautiful data. Hell yeah, brother. All right, let me check Slack quick. I have a random or an alarming amount of Slack messages. Oh, it's just Graphite freaking out. There was a small incident overnight. Yo, Reese taking on his first incident? What a boss! Y'all, if you know, if you guys aren't following Reese Sullivan on Twitter, he's one of the funniest motherfuckers in the entire world on Twitter. And he joined my team recently, and he is... Dude, he's got such a bright career ahead of him. Make sure y'all are following him. He's on my team with me, and we're starting to freaking really knock out domains. So actually, one of the things we're going for, our goal is to have the fastest and most performant domain search on the web, and we're the people that are in our sites to beat. Instant domain search, is that them? Yeah. Our goal is to be faster than them. This cheats a little bit because it doesn't pull all the prices for everything. Like if I have budget sync.io, like Yeah, but we're going for speed like this. Can he find why I hit that dead endpoint? Dude, I actually don't know. Dude, I searched for hours. Not hours, like an hour after we got off Zoom. And like I just don't, the only thing I can think of is like somehow you had like a cached version of the app that like, but you have to, do you use Vercel often? Because like, yeah, maybe that was it. I'm not sure. But then I couldn't even find the trace in Datadog for the request you hit. It was so weird. I still don't understand how that happened. Very puzzled by it. And you're the maybe it was it. Maybe it was it. All right, let's go to V0 and grab those designs for this quick, and we're gonna emulate this. Let's just take a screenshot. In fact, we might make a V0 work against itself here. Improve this design. I don't know. See what it does. Thank you, V0. Ahead again, or medicine. Should I use Astro? I don't know. I've never used Astro. I'd honestly probably just default to Next. I'm not gonna lie. It's popular to hate on Next, and like I think, you know, React 18 and Next 14 together weren't the best experience, but I think React 19 and Next 15, now that the Next team has really addressed all of the pain points over the past 2 years, like, and really listened to the community, Next 15 is really, really good. Keep the theme and make sure it's in one card. What up, Bad Cop? Shout out Bad Cop. The intro of hooks, React 16. All right, whatever. We'll just keep it for now. Let's iterate on this design and continue optimizing it using best practices found in refactoring UI. React 18, I don't really remember React 17 either, to be honest. I wasn't writing a lot of React at that time. I spent like a couple years in back-end land writing billing systems between 16 and 18. I don't like the nested card. That looks like skeuomorphism too much. I wonder if that's what they actually used. You think you can just run my effects twice and say it's for my own good? I don't love the look of having small cards / panels inside the main card. Let's try another design. Do we like that? We don't think it's too much? I mean, I like it. I just feel like we don't think it's like too much. Let's see what it comes up with otherwise. How do I get out of this frickin' view? Help. B0. All right, let's see what it does look like on mobile. We can make it stack nice, right? Let's totally do it. Jesus Christ. All right. I guess we can build it like this. This looks pretty good. All right. We'll rock with that. Let's screenshot this so we have something to work off of. There, pop that up, bring this over, and we'll leave that there, minimize this, go here. In fact, we should just, whatever. I'm gonna move this over to this screen. Come a long way since from the Dreamweaver days. We have come a long way from the Dreamweaver days. Real talk. I started in Dreamweaver. I'm gonna stand up for a while. I use NeoVim. All right. And we'll get reports. And we'll go here. Go here. Oh, go to the definition, please. Thank you. That was annoying. We'll have reports.
Functions describe
which
the
is going
world.
to have a field on it. Leave me alone. And then this one gets, let's yoink you, paste that in there, import that, come over here, 16 down, yoink on that, view around that, paste that, jump over here, give it a space, import that, come over here, jump down, yoink you, back over here, down around that, paste that in, got some space, put that in, great. You can close this side. Your whole NVIM setup is so clean. My boomer one says every frame seems dead. Nah, I think React and Svelte are pretty good. I don't know. I've also just like worked on the kind of problems and the kind of client applications where like React and Next are actually really justified, like marketing and especially e-commerce. Like I did a bunch of work for Puma, Lego, and who else was in there that I can talk about? Lululemon. Yeah, the three of them. Like having React and Next really does make a difference. All right, so we want to come down here and we need to start building in this snippet here. In fact, we can just build. Oh, where did that screenshot go? I have the screenshot there. And what does this look like? How are we going to retrofit that? Where's my localhost? You can close all these. Performance metrics, drop that. All right, so we'll do a div, classic div, and we're gonna say this is gonna be flex. Class will be flex, flex call, and then in here we'll have 3 of these, which will be flex rows. Right, let me bring over what I'm building off of right here. So then we've got the 3 flex rows, right? Each of these will be a flex row. And inside of here, in fact, we should have just done one at a time. We have that rows, we have another row. And then we have the tiny cards. And that will be a div that has a call. And inside that, we'll have a span. And inside this will be a class flex row. And then we'll have a second span. And that will be the metric. Yeah. And then we have that, right? And then this is going to be call row actually, hold on here. We have the outer one, which is a column, and then we have a row, which is all that. This is actually not a row. This is going to be another column. Or hold on here. Let me draw on this. We'll just start blue. That is not what we wanted. The fuck was going on there? I want a shape, please. Dude. There we go. All right, so we have the outer column. And then we have, nope, oh my God, this is so hard to do. Stop being stupid. And we'll make this one blue. Do that. Oh my Lord. That goes there. And then we have another one. Another one. That goes here. And we have another one. That goes here. That one's really hard to see, but it's fine. And then inside there, we have individual ones. Right? And it'll be like that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we go column, column. Right? So it's going to go, the magenta and the blue are columns. And then this is going to be green, which is a row. And then we need another one of these. Right? This is going to have, we'll put a span in here. And this is going to have like, this will be a class. Like this should probably be a div. Actually, no, that can be a span. We'd have that and that. And this would be like client acquisition. If I could type client acquisition. And we don't need that other part, right? But we do need the icon, which is like, I don't know, users probably. Something like that. And then we have the row below. And this would be an individual card inside the row, right? Yeah. And this would have like, this would say qualified leads. This should probably be a div actually, now that I think about it. And then we have a span in here. And that's going to say qualified leads. And that will also have a users. All right, we can get rid of these. So we made updates. And then this will have something like, What do we think this is from? Qualified leads. Yeah, dot qualified leads. Right. Be something like that. I'm 22 and didn't spend much of my uni years coding. Is there still a chance to become a good software engineer writing code without the use of an LLM? Yes, 100%. You probably are better at coding than I was at 22. Yeah, I agree with keyboard. Just keep building. I'm kind of lost. Like, I don't know what to focus on, to be honest. I've taken boot camps for DL and PyTorch and some LL, made NLP computer vision project too. But God, I had to use ChatGPT. Otherwise, I feel like my brain is freezing and can't write code on my own. Now I'm getting to Gen AI. I'm trying to do leak codes and maybe some solid side projects. My advice is stop worrying about what you think people want to see on your resume and what you think important skills are, and just find a project that you think is exciting and cool and build it, even if you have no idea how to build it, and just struggle through it. Like, the only way you're going to learn and get good is struggling to learn things. That's basically the whole profession. And if you don't build something you're excited about, you're just not going to stick with it and actually stick with it when it gets hard. Noons, I have not been able to use OCaml for a while now, primarily because my attention's been on this project, and at work I have to write TypeScript all day. So I have not touched OCaml for a hot minute, even though I wish I could write more OCaml. Okay. We can come back through and fix these icons, but let's add in the other cards here. So we're just going to copy pretty much this piece here. So we'll copy from this one, and we'll come in here and do that. And then we'll do that again. 20 down, paste that in. J, paste that in. There we go. And now this is going to be new fact finders. Finders. This is what users check. What icon do we think that is? Because I'm pretty sure V0 uses Lucide. So we should be able to just come in here and look at it. Would you just look at it? How important is a degree to get into a job position like you're in? I mean, it helps, but it's not super important. A bunch of the best people I've ever worked with did not have CS degrees. Just build stuff. That's all you got. Just keep building stuff, and even if it's shitty, it's yours, and you learn something from it. Every time you build something, You'll learn something new. You'll make a mistake
Functions
that you won't repeat
describe
again.
the world.
And you just cycle through that process over and over and over again. And then that's how you get good. I don't even consider myself that great of a developer, but I got to where I'm at by failing and making mistakes over and over and over and over again. Thank you for the follow, Epic. And thank you for any follows I missed earlier in the stream. I haven't been paying a lot of attention today, so I apologize. Users check. This is just user check, not users. Yeah, that is a single. And this is going to be new clients. Users plus. Didn't we just see a users plus icon? Oh, it's just singular. Whatever, that's fine. That should not be a string. Why would that be a string? Did I screw up the schema? Oops, this one didn't need that. Oh no, I fucked up my macro. How did I do this? I just lost the fucking thing already. Where was that type? There we go. That's more better. Fun, run, drizzle. I don't think I have to generate. This shouldn't generate anything, right? Yeah, good. We jump up here, and then we got to go to the types, which come from right here. Yeah, there we go. Wait, how is it getting sent across the wire as strings? That doesn't make sense. How long have I been coding? I've been coding since the first time I wrote code, I would have been like 13. Maybe younger if you count MySpace and CSS and stuff, but I took a Visual Basic 6 class in middle school, and then I got hooked, and I started writing JavaScript, not seriously, but just like, fucking around and trying to program. And then I slowly got more and more serious with JavaScript a little bit, and then I started writing Lua in high school for writing World of Warcraft add-ons and mods. I guess they're add-ons, not mods. And I took did I take a Java course in high school? Yeah, I took one Java course, and just like the entire time through the rest of middle school and high school, I was always just consuming programming content. All right, that TypeScript restart worked. We'll probably need to format this better, but it's fine. In fact, we'll just do this. Use JS number intel to format this to always have one. Oh my god, what the fuck just happened? Oh my god. This always using one decimal space. Let's see here if we can do can we have it perform the ratio to percent for us so we don't have to multiply by 100. Yeah. Throw that somewhere like right here. Just throw that in there. Get rid of that. Format ratio as percent. Come down here, and we should see that work then if we do format, ratios.format, come in here, pop that in, go to the star, put that in, delete to the end, and that should work. We should see that working then. That is an API we'll never ever remember, is the Intel number stuff. 22.8%. Is that right?
Functions describe the world.
Is that right? Yeah, I guess that is right. Okay. I'm using Arc browser. This is just the screenshot tool. I'm going through, I was going through Raycaster, that AI. Thank you for the follow, polls. Okay, so let's start adding some styles here. Actually, you know what? I think I might save this for tomorrow and just wrap up here. I'm getting pinged on some work stuff, so this is a good stopping point. We've got the HTML semantically laid out to build this component out. We've got all the data in as of this morning, which is great. We wrote a bunch of SQL the past 2 days, and we have those persisted as database views now. So we have latest monthly reports. We have our income captured report. We have our referrals per ask report and our 10:1 ratio report. We've got those into the UI, coming through the app. So that's been really good progress the past 2 mornings. And now we just got to get it looking pretty over here in this card. And yeah, we have a couple views where we're going to work with this data outside of this card. For example, like I should be able to click on metrics report and it should take me to a page specifically looking at just the report. Instead of just like the user's card here. But yeah, really good progress. Really happy with where this is at. The data, roping the data was always going to be the hardest part when we got that done. And that's actually pretty fun. So let's go ahead and raid and we'll be back tomorrow. Let's raid Janet. Chair stream. Oh, it looks like we got some, what is this, closure? Let's go. All right, chat. Have a great day.